Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. This video is for Jeff in Indiana, and this throttle body is from a 95 C280 without ASR. Okay, Jeff, so the usual problem, of course, was the wiring. So the wires were bad. I replaced the wires. The biggest issue was the coil. This is your unit that it came, so before I started with wires and cleaned this thing, I checked the coil, and the coil is bad indeed. So I did have to use my core unit with a good coil in it and reinstall your internals and overhaul gears and all that stuff. So, and of course new cables put in. The original potentiometer is in there. It seemed to work fine, and because this unit was missing the sticker, so I just engraved the sticker. Engraved the part number, production date, the repair date, and my website on the case. As yours, as you can see, you see the lettering, but the coil is bad. So unfortunately this unit is of no use, and we don't really, I just wanted to show you that this is indeed your unit, so you remember how it was. This is basically all. Just have it here on the bench, so let's just take it away, put it in a pile of other units. Now, this unit, of course, the wires replaced again and cleaned up. The core was pretty good. The only issue with this unit was potentiometer, so obviously I had to replace potentiometer with your unit. Now you can see a little bit of kind of like dark spots there. That's because I had to clean up. I clean up a little bit of oxidation, as you can see, some like micro etching in there, but that's not sharp or anything. It's actually just the brush wheel just polished it a little bit and it changed color a bit. Same on this side, but it's no big deal. You can touch it, it's perfectly smooth, so there is going to be no problems with turbulence and air going in. Now next thing is the micro switch here that does click. That's very important. You can hear the switch engage. It's actually the switch, not the end stop. That's end stop. So the micro switch is engaged. It works. It is engaging. And overall, unit cleaned up. Pretty nice looking. And last thing to do is to energize the unit now. I had it tested already quite extensively, so we're good on this department. So let me put the power on. First thing you're gonna see is the plate is going to twitch, and then it's gonna start humming and remain humming the unit itself. So here's the power. So we saw the plate move, and now it's ready for idle operation, and here's our humming sound. So you hear that little metallic buzzing noise, sort of. And right now the plate is being held in idle position. I can open it, but I cannot close it. As you can see, it holds it well in idle position. If I shut down the unit, there will be no assistance from the motor, and I can move the plate to close it more. Versus when unit is energized, I cannot close the plate. Motor holds it in proper positioning. So that's how you know that the unit is ready for idle. And basically that's the only test that I can do on the bench, because it's a mechanical unit, so it opens mechanically. It only keeps idle speed and cruise control. Keeps idle speed steady and activates cruise control. So therefore, because it's not in the vehicle, then I cannot obviously test that. But this is basically a very good test. I did check the readings from potentiometer, switches, everything's good. Alright, so this is basically all, and it's basically ready to be mailed out. Again, this is Victor at restoreyourmercedes.com. Thanks for watching.